good morning to all the people who are watching this. I am Priyanka of class 10th A1 of DAV Thermal. Because of COVID-19, we all are going through a tough time and I hope you all are doing fine at your home. As Ambedkar Jayanti is around the corner, I wanted to give you some information. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was born on 14th April 1891. He was an Indian jurist, economist and a social reformer who inspired Buddhist Dalit movement and to campaign against social discrimination towards the untouchables. He was India's first law and justice minister in the cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru, the major architect of the Constitution of India. A well-known politician and an eminent jurist, his effort to eradicate social evils like untouchability and caste restrictions, and throughout his life he fought for the rights of Dalit. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian order, in 1990. In his childhood, Ambedkar and other untouchable children were segregated and weren't allowed to sit inside the class. He faced this discrimination throughout his childhood, which made him adopt Buddhism. He was a prolific student, earning doctorates in economics from both Columbia University and London School of Economics. On 29 August, he was appointed chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee and was appointed by the Assembly to write India's new constitution. The text prepared by Ambedkar provided constitutional guarantees and protection for a wide range of civil liberties for individual citizens, including freedom of religion and abolition of untouchability. Ambedkar argued for extensive economic and social rights for women and won the Assembly's support for introducing a system of reservation of jobs in the civil services, schools, and colleges for members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. He was a great leader who fought his entire life for the rights of Dalit and made the world's largest constitution. He inspires us a lot. Thank you and have a nice day.